Hey, I'm Jay Cohen, editorial director here at Feed. Today, we're in my home kitchen. I am playing around with CAULIPOWER's new chicken tenders and tortilla wraps. So excited, big fan of chicken tendies, and I'm going to clean out my fridge and make a delicious snack.
Love that they kind of take this like really fun take on a chicken tender, and it's completely gluten-free, breaded with cauliflower, rice flour, brown rice flour, and they're still gonna get super crispy and delicious. All right, I'm going to cook with some chicken tenders, and then I'll walk you through everything else that's going on. I'm going to make a little yogurty tartar sauce situation, some quick pickled onions, and a little bit of some kind of like dressed kale salad to go on top. Got a greased sheet pan, a package of chick fings, and we are going to bake these off at 425 for about 15 minutes until they are golden and crisp. So now we are going to get a little tartar sauce action going. I'm going to chop up about, let's say, a quarter cup of herbs. I got some random old chives and mint that I'm looking to get rid of. You could also use parsley. I'm going to chop up 1 tablespoon of drained capers. If you didn't have capers, you could use any olives you had on hand. Anything really pickled, I think, would be really nice in this dressing. I'm going to add the zest of 1 lemon. We're gonna save the juice to do a quick pickle on some red onion, but I do not want to waste the zest. And then also 1 garlic clove I'm gonna finally grate. To this, we are going to add in 1/3 cup of Greek yogurt. If you didn't have Greek yogurt, you could also use sour cream. And finally, I'm gonna add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm going to give that a little whisk. A little pinch of salt. Meanwhile, let's get a quickle going. I got half of a red onion I found in my fridge. We only need about 1/4 of it. Little mini mason jar. And then do you remember that lemon we zested? I'm going to juice it right in. And to this, I'm going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. Then we're going to seal it up and shake it. All right, I'm gonna put this on the side, and then I'm gonna give it a shake every 5 minutes. It will be done in the same time it takes for our chicken tenders to be cooked. I have 2 cups of shredded kale that I just dressed with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and some salt to taste, and I'm just going to massage it a bit. I'm using kale because that's what I had in my fridge. Okay, this looks good. Last thing is to just heat up our tortillas and we will assemble. All right, we have their grain-free tortillas. I am going to heat them up on the stove. I'm going to throw it straight on, get the fire on, and we're gonna have it on high for about 30 seconds, and then we are going to flip. Oh my God, these look so golden and delicious. Cannot wait to dig in. All right, we have our tortillas that are fired up. I love the little charred edges. We got our dressed kale. We have our quick pickled onions that are nice and pink and gorgeous. We got our tartar sauce, and we got our chicken tendies. All right, it's been a long day, but nothing makes your day better like chicken tenders, and you can only imagine what that means when they're put into a taco. The chicken is perfect, it's crispy, the tartar sauce is tangy, the pickled onions add the perfect acidity, the kale adds just that little bit of green to make you feel like you're doing something good to your body. This is an awesome recipe. Thank you so much to CAULIPOWER, for just bringing chicken tenders into the world. That is exactly what I need right now in my life. With everything going on, is more chicken tenders. We love these tortillas. If you want the full recipe, you can head to thefeedfeed.com, and I'll see you next time.